baby. C is for Catchy, 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 fluffy Catchy. D is for dog, 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 doggy dog. E is for elephant, 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 big elephant. F is for fish, 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 colorful fish. G is for grapes, grapes, sweet grapes. H is for hen, hen, happy hen. I is for igloo, igloo, white igloo. J is for jelly, jelly, sweet jelly. K is for king, king, light king,